Hello everyone, today we are making our delicious creamy shrimp and sausage Rasta pasta filled with chunks of turkey, sausage, and fresh shrimp. Let's go over the ingredients. First we have 3 links of turkey sausage that we'll be using. We're using 12 ounces of jumbo shrimp, peeled and deveined, 2 cups of assorted bell peppers. We're going to chop those up. 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 4 cups of heavy cream, 1 pound of penny pasta, half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, black pepper, and sea salt. We also have 1 small onion chopped, 2 sprigs of fresh thyme, a half a cup of chopped scallion, and 3 cloves of garlic that will be minced. First, let's get a large pot of boiling water, add about a tablespoon of salt and about 2 tablespoons of oil. This is for our penny pasta. Add the pasta once the water comes to a boil. Boil it until al dente. In a small pot of boiling water, add your 3 links of turkey sausage. Boil it for about 5 minutes. Remove it and chop it up in 1/2 inch pieces and set your sausage aside. Take all of your fresh vegetables and chop those up and mince up the garlic. Once that's done, you can set your vegetables aside. Now take a large bowl of cold water, add a few squirts of lime, and clean off your shrimp. We don't need too much lime, just a few squirts to get it nice and clean. Next, we'll take a large pot, add a 1/2 cup of oil, and put in our onion, our garlic, and our scallions. We want to saute it for a few minutes until it's fragrant and until the onions become translucent. Next, take those cut up pieces of sausage, add those to that pot, and stir it around for 3 to 5 minutes. We want to brown the sausages, so just continue stirring until it becomes fragrant. Next, we're going to add our 4 cups of heavy cream. Okay, so get that heavy cream into that mixture. Stir that in, continue stirring for 5 to 6 minutes, and then we will add in our fresh bell peppers. So we add in our red peppers, our green peppers, and our yellow peppers. This is what makes the dish Rasta pasta. Those beautiful colors, those Rasta colors. So let's go ahead and give that a stir. Add in our 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, sea salt, and chicken bouillon to the mixture. And we'll go ahead and give this another stir once all of our seasonings are added. Next, add in our 12 ounces of raw shrimp and give that a stir. So we want to make sure that we continuously stir so that the cream does not scald or stick to the bottom of the pot. Okay? So now we are going to add our cup of Parmesan cheese. Yummy. This is starting to thicken and it smells so delicious. Next, add in our 2 sprigs of thyme. And our pasta, our al dente pasta, is added last. Make sure you stir everything to get all of that yumminess mixed in together. Wonderful. Our dish is now done. We have our Rasta pasta. I want you guys to really enjoy this. Bye-bye.